Good morning. It's Thursday again. This is Mr. Heaney again. Seriously, it's Thursday. And you know what that means. It's time for dictated spelling sentences. So go ahead and turn your spelling practice books to week 29 or go ahead and grab a couple of blank Thursday spelling pages and we will get started. Okay, now the joke, since it was Earth Day not too long ago, is about trees. Now, how do you tell if a tree is a dogwood tree? How do you tell if a tree is a dogwood? The answer after we're done with our sentences. Okay, let's get started. The first word is storm. The storm blew over. The storm blew over. The storm blew over. The storm blew over. Okay, pause if you need to, fix it if you have to. Not too long of a sentence. Make sure you didn't say the color blue, B-L-U-E, that you said B-L-E-W. Okay, all right. The storm blew over. Number 2 is shirt. I wore a green 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 shirt. Okay, ready? Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. I wore a green shirt. Again, not too long of a sentence today. Pretty basic. Okay, ready for number 3? Correct. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Now, is your answer correct? Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. The hard part might be spelling that difficult word answer. It has a silent W in it, which is weird. W for weird. Answer. We say answer. Okay. So, yeah, if you spelled that wrong, you got to repeat the sentence. Okay, number 4, firm. My dad said a firm no. My dad said a firm no. My dad said a firm no. Now, I think everybody is going to have to rewrite this one. My dad said a firm no. Okay, this one's got some tricky rules to it. Okay, we got some convo going on, some conversation. Okay, so we have dialogue. All right, let's check it. Pause it if you need to. My dad said a firm no. Now, here we go. My dad said a firm no. Now, because this is dialogue and whatever the character says is in quotes, the actual words that the character says is in quotes, no is what dad said. So no has to be in quotes. But no here is actually a one-word sentence. Take a look, a peek-see. Okay, no. Has your dad ever just said no? Well, that's a complete sentence. Now, you'd be like, what's the subject? Because, well, who is he talking to? You. It was implied it was you. Your dad didn't have to say you. He just said no. He didn't say you. No. He didn't say Mike. No. He said no because he meant it. But he was looking at you. He implied it was for you. Even if you pretended it wasn't you, he meant it for you. And if he said no, he meant no this time. He really meant it. So my dad said a firm no. Now, before we have quotation marks, after the sentence, you could say maybe the narrator said, my dad said a firm, okay, that part right there, separating the sentence from the conversation, we use a comma, then we use a quote. And because it is a one-word sentence, it's a capital N, and then it's an exclamation point because your dad wouldn't just say, no. He'd go, no! Okay, all right, so we have an exclamation point, and your punctuation has to go inside the quotation marks. That's a lot to remember. I have a feeling, besides tiramisu, this might have been our hardest sentence yet. Okay, Rewrite that one if you have to. Number 5, instructor. Your instructor will tell you how. 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 Now, I'm going to give you a hint. There's no convo, no dialogue on this one, so no quotation marks, because the instructor didn't actually say the words. Someone else is talking. They're saying, your instructor will tell you how. But they didn't say, your instructor will just say, how, because that'd be more like asking a question. If your teacher walked up to you and said, how? No, your instructor is going to tell you how to do something. So that's not actually a quote. So no quotes in this one. Your instructor will tell you how. Are you ready? Did you press pause? So, okay, anyway, if you press pause, I'm still talking. And when you unpause, you still have to hear me, okay? So anyway, let's fix it if you have to. Your instructor will tell you how. Your instructor will tell you how. I think we need number 6. Fireworks. Okay, fireworks. The fireworks show will start at dusk. The fireworks show will start at dusk. We had a couple short ones at the beginning, so I guess we have a couple long ones. The fireworks show will start at dusk. The fireworks show. The fireworks show will start at dusk. The fireworks show will start at dusk. Okay, ready? Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. The fireworks show will start at dusk. The fireworks show will start at dusk. Okay, number 7, giraffe. That giraffe has a long neck. 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 Okay, pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. That giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe's a hard word to spell. I-R-A-F-F-E. I-R-A-F-F-E. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. That spells the word giraffe. Okay, now birthday. My birthday party is on Saturday. My birthday party is on Saturday. My birthday party. My birthday party is on Saturday. Saturday. What a day. Something like the 4th of July. Do, do, do. Okay, you ready for Saturday? My birthday party is on Saturday. Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Make sure you have a capital S for Saturday. It is a day of the week, and that's the proper name of the day. And it's the name, so we capitalize it. And it's S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, not Sat-day, Saturday. U-R. Okay, number 9, support. I support the Detroit Tigers. 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 Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, press pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. I support the Detroit Tigers. And number 10 is tiramisu. Tiramisu is my favorite dessert. Tiramisu is my favorite dessert. Tiramisu is my favorite dessert. Not desert. That would have one S. It's dessert. It's got two S's. Tiramisu. Favorite? Favorite. Favorite. Are you ready? Press pause if you need to. Okay, fix it if you have to. Tiramisu is my favorite dessert. Did you get tiramisu right? Have you been practicing on Tuesday and Wednesday and Monday? So Thursday you should get it right for tomorrow, Friday. Okay, tiramisu is my favorite dessert. So the thing about trees, how do you know if a tree is a dogwood tree? Well, that's easy. You tell by its bark. That's true. Very true. Is that even a joke?